Hi, my name is Ramirez. We're here at Top Line Wheels, located in Pomona, California. I'm the National Sales Manager and one of the Marketing Directors here at Top Line Wheels. So my earliest memory of cars and kind of what sparked the match for me was about 30 years ago. My dad bought me a Lowrider Magazine. And at that time, there was a LA Auto Show, and my dad was working it for the LA Times, and I went down there with him, and I remember seeing all these lowriders and just being intrigued at 10 years old, like just fascinated by the colors, the motors, and the chrome and everything. And my dad had befriended one of the guys from that club and said, hey, can my son sit in that car? And my dad went up to him, and the guy was like, yeah, sure. I remember my parents telling me, just keep doing what you gotta do, get good grades, we'll buy you a car. And he's like, man, you're doing good, I'll buy you a set of rims. Okay. Got my first set of chrome wheels on a Toyota, 17 years old in high school. And then that year I was graduating, and my parents were like, you can go to your senior trip, and we'll give you the money for your senior trip to build your car. And I was like, shoot it, I'll take the money, I'll build the car. I actually went to SEMA that year, no job. It was my first year going to SEMA, and it was like, I couldn't even get a hotel room. I had to stay like in the ghetto in Fremont. I remember driving my car down the strip at 18 years old and just feeling like it was the biggest thing to me. That's the pinnacle as a car builder. I was featured in magazines and things like that, but SEMA as a car enthusiast, car builder, that's what you shoot for. And just really realizing that SEMA is our Super Bowl. It's what we strive for. It's where we introduce our products to the customers. So it's a very, very important part of who we are and what we do. If I were to give advice to anybody at a young age, I'd say, don't be afraid to fail. So if really failing isn't a failure, it's a learning lesson. And that was something that I had to learn over 20 years. Being involved in this industry for the past 20 years, I've had the liberty of working with widespread of artists, athletes, celebrities. I just call them my friends. One of my biggest mentors and people that I work with continuously is Mr. Cartoon. That's going on almost 20 plus years of working together, breaking bread together, building cars together, and it's an amazing experience. I've worked with the likes of Paul Wall, built a car with him. Professional boxers, Lindolfo Delgado. I had the first pro skate team in the industry, which was Paul Rodriguez, Terry Kennedy, Braden Safransky, Jeremy Rogers, Dominic from Brooklyn Projects. I'm excited to see what's to come, not just for the industry, but also for myself, because I'm just getting started. All right, we're here, 2023 SEMA Show in Las Vegas, South Hall, Wheel and Tire Hall. So if you're, a wheel guy, you're here. We just launched a new line, Spartan, which is gonna be available in 2024. We launched Speed Wheels in collaboration with Robbie Gordon, and these are gonna be built in the USA. So trying to bring the manufacturing back to the US market. So for me, it's been 22 years, coming as a car builder and now coming in as an exhibitor, it's probably one of the best feelings in the world. I still get chills walking through the halls. I still walk through and see stuff that blows my mind, and the evolution of where it was when I was 18 to where it is now. And I'm excited to see what the next 20 years has to offer. Just everything along the way is hard work and dedication and just following your dreams.